See Standard 10th Maths Chapter 7 Mensuration Exercise 7.2 Sum number 5. The question is a right angle triangle whose sides are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm is revolved about the sides containing the right angle in two ways. Find the difference in volumes of the two solids so formed. First is given, it's a right angle triangle. Let me take a right angle triangle whose sides are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. So the greater side must be the side opposite to right angle, hypotenuse, 10 cm. So the other two sides are adjacent sides of this right angle. Let me take one as 6 cm. The other one is 8 cm. Okay. See, and this triangle is revolved about the sides containing the right angle. Containing the right angle, the sides are one is 8 cm and 6 cm. Just I give the rotation of this triangle. So when I give the rotation of this triangle along the side 6 cm, along the side 6 cm, so that this 6 cm becomes the height of the cone, and this 8 cm base 8 cm form the circle of the cone, and that is the 8 cm radius of this cone, and 6 is the height of the cone. 6 cm becomes the height of the cone and 8 cm becomes the radius of the cone, and this 10 cm is the slant height of the cone. Okay, first we will take the given concept. Given triangle ABC, it's a right angle triangle. Let me mark this as ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. So the sides are AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm and AC is equal to 10 cm. Here first case I give the rotation about the side 6 cm. So in that case we get the cone shape. Radius of the cone is 8 cm and height of the cone is 6 cm. So I have to find the volume. Find the difference in volume. So volume V is equal to formula 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So 1 by 3, don't substitute for pi, keep pi as it is. R is here 8 into 8 into 6. Here 3 goes in 6 2 times. So 8 8s are 64. 64 into 2 is 128 pi centimeter cube. See, in the second case, case 2, we give the rotation. Along the side 8 centimeter. So I give the rotation about along with respect to the side, one of the side 8 centimeter. That becomes the height of the cone. H is equal to 8 centimeter and radius is 6 centimeter. Again in this case the volume is 1 by 3 pi r squared h cubic units. So 1 by 3 pi r is 6 into 6 into 8. 3 goes here 2 times. So 6 8s are 48. 48 2s are 96 pi centimeter cube. So here the question is, find the difference in the volumes. Find the difference in the volumes. So difference in the volumes. So the greater one is 128 pi minus 96 pi. If you subtract, you are getting 32 pi centimeter cube. This is the answer. See the sixth sum. The volumes of two cones of same base radius are 3600 centimeter cube and 5040 centimeter cube. Find the ratio of heights. See, two cones you have, two different cones. Two cones. So one is the volume V1, two volumes are given. The volume of first cone is 3600 centimeter cube. The volume of the second cube is 5040 centimeter cube. See the radius, same base radius. Here the radius is R1, here radius is R1, here the radius is R2. But given these two radius are same, R1 is equal to R2. Radius R1 is equal to R2. And what you are supposed to find? Find the ratio of heights. Let me take the height of the first cone is H1. Height of the second cone is H2. You have to find the ratio. H1 is to H2. Find the ratio of the heights. So you take the ratio of the volume. V1 is to V2 here. So V1 is 3600. Let me write here 3600 is to 5040. So what is the formula here? V1 is 1 by 3 pi R1 squared H1, 1 by 3 pi R2 squared H2 is equal to 3600 is to 5040. Cancel the common term, 1 by 3, pi cancel. See, and also it's given R1 is equal to R2. So R1 squared is also same as R2 squared. So all the terms get cancelled. You are getting H1 is to H2 is equal to 3600 is to 5040. Now you cancel the common factors here. Separately you can do this. See 3600 by ratio means divide 5040. 1 0 cancel. Here 9 goes here 4 times 40. Here 5 9s of 45 carry over 5. 6 9s of 56. Then 8 goes here 5 times, here 7 times. So you are getting the 5 is to 7. So H1 is to H2 is equal to 5 is to 7. That is the answer. That is the question. Here find the ratio of heights. See question number 7. If the ratio of radii of two spheres is 4 is to 7, find the ratio of the volume. First you take the given concepts. Given two spheres. Given two spheres. the ratio of the radii. Spheres is just you have only one unit, that is radius. It is same everywhere from the center. So R1 is to R2, 2 spheres. So R1 is to R2 is equal to 4 is to 7. So find the ratio of the volumes. Question is, what is V1 is to V2? Find the ratio of the volumes. What is the formula of the sphere? Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere. Formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Cubic units. So I have to find V1 is to V2. So V1 4 by 3 pi R1 cube is to 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. So 4 by 3 cancel, pi cancel. So R1 cube is to R2 cube. What is R1 is to R2? 4 is to 7. So 4 cube is to 7 cube. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. 3 times you have to multiply. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. Is to 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 7. 343. So V1 is to V2 is equal to 64 is to 343. The ratio of the two volumes of the sphere. Thank you.